Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Foundation Week, where every day for 7 days I test out a new foundation. I hope you've been enjoying the week so far. Today's kind of a big day because I'm setting up for my only daughter, my only girl's first birthday party, and it's going to be just a fun event, so I have a lot to set up, and I'll be sharing parts of that with you in this video. But today I'm testing out the Revlon Light Cover Foundation. I haven't seen much about it, and I was super curious about this little baby because I haven't heard anything. So we're going to test it out. I'm going to tell you what Revlon claims. We're going to see if they do it. We're going to test flash test because this does have SPF in it. We're going to test, is it transfer? Is it mask approved? Does it oxidize? Does it last all day? We're gonna wear it for 12 hours. Does it work for someone with mature skin? Because I have lines here, so we're gonna test that out as well. I also have dry skin, so is it good for my dry gals? So we're gonna test it all. I hope you're excited. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified of the rest of Foundation Week, and I'll link that playlist up in an iCard so you can see all the foundations I have tested out. And yeah, let's just get on started with what Revlon claims. Revlon claims that this is a lightweight. It has SPF 35. It does come in 12 shades. It retails for $13.99 on Ulta's website. I will link their website down below. I have the shade Neutral Beige because I feel like Neutral Beige always works. So if I don't know what to pick, I usually go for Natural Beige. Is it natural? Yeah, Natural Beige. Hydration, it's supposed to increase your skin's hydration by 56%, I think it was. So it's supposed to be hydrating, long wearing. It's supposed to really make you look perfected and flawless while giving you buildable coverage and protecting you from the sun. So yeah, we'll see what that's all about. So let's go swatch this next to other foundations that match me, and then let's start applying it to the face.
Okay, so these are the foundations. This first one's the Fenty in 235. This second one is the Dior Backstage in 2WO. It is an olive shade. This next one is the Too Faced Born This Way in Natural Beige. This next one here is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in Golden Beige. This next one here is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 220 Natural Beige. And this last one here is the Revlon Color Stay Light Cover Foundation in Natural Beige, which is way too light for me.
Let's start with primer. I'm using the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. It's the best primer for dry skin. So we're gonna put this on all over the face. All right, so I'm gonna shake this baby up. I have the shade Natural Beige, which I think is pretty good. Hopefully will match me good. This side of the face, I'm gonna use a sponge. On this side of the face, I'm actually going to use my IT Cosmetics Love is a foundation brush, which I think is amazing. So this has this little squeezy tube, like a squeezy top, so you can easily just drop it. Oh, seriously, I think Natural Beige is too light. Look at the bottle, and then look at it on my face. Guys, oh, these brands, man. Natural Beige has never not worked for me in Revlon. It's strange. Okay, we're gonna, oh, yeah. Wow. Wow, it does feel lightweight though. All right, we're gonna have to deal with it. Wow. It's a little bit too light. I would have gone with something a little darker. It has like a makeup-y scent to it. It's really weird. I like how it looks on my skin. Don't get me wrong. It's just not the right shade. So I think I would have gone with one shade darker of it. So I'll look up what that is and I'll tell you guys. One light coat, and it actually looks really good, really skin-like, very light. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit more, just a tiny bit, to give me a little more coverage. We'll see how buildable it is. So yeah, it definitely is buildable. I mean, it's adding the coverage and basically camouflaging my freckle there. Actually super impressed, and it hasn't sunk into any of my lines. So I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. I'll set it. I'll try to fix the color correction with some bronzer, and we'll see how the foundation then looks on my skin. So I finished the rest of my makeup. This is how it looks so far. I'm going to spray this side of the face because I usually do use a setting spray. So I wanted to show you what it would look like if you did use some sort of finishing spray. I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus. Oh, that felt really good. That feels so good. Yeah. Okay, so this is how I now look with the makeup done, my half of my face sprayed. I did really like the brush side and the sponge side. I'm gonna say that already, that I did like how they both applied. I think they both applied really nice. It did feel lightweight. It kind of blended into the skin. But something that I did notice, I just wanna mention before I show you like close up, is, you know, when you apply sunscreen and when it is on your face, it kind of feels almost hot, like your skin's a little bit like warm. I don't know if that makes any sense. It kind of felt like that. It doesn't feel like that now, but definitely before I set it, it did feel a little bit hot. It was still lightweight, but it kind of had that sunscreeny feel where you kind of get like overheated a little bit. Does that even make any sense? I don't even know if that makes sense or not. I'm sure someone knows what I'm talking about, but that's kind of how I felt. But once I set it, it feels really good. I was able to use bronzer to kind of fix the color issue. And I like how it looks. So let me bring you in really close so you can see. Yeah, it looks really nice. It honestly, like my forehead and stuff, it really smoothed over all my lines, and it looks, in my opinion, better than the Physicians Formula Butter Believe It foundation. That one just was heavy and looked cakey and heavy on my skin, but this one looks very lightweight, really nice. It blended into the skin beautifully, and it does look really smooth. So I'm super impressed because it also gave me coverage. Now I do have a dry patch right here, and I do have lines, and it hasn't sunk into that, which is really amazing. It looks super good. The powder I used was the Too Faced Peach Perfect, but so far so good. I'm actually pretty excited to see how this performs, because it's like a surprise. I'm not a big fan of Revlon foundations, but this is a pleasant surprise the way it looks on my face. I'll show you how it looks in natural lighting, and then I'll check in with you at the 5-hour mark, and we'll see how it looks then and talk about like the flash test and all that jazz. Okay, so I'm in front of natural lighting. I'm in front of my window, and I'll show you what the foundation looks like. It looks pretty freaking good, pretty smooth. It feels very lightweight. Now the color doesn't look as bad. Really pretty. I'm excited because I'm loving it. I guess I'll show you what I'm doing. I have so much cleanup to do, you guys. So much cleanup. Let me show you. Okay, look at this mess. Seriously, I have cushions everywhere because I gotta put those cushions away. But I just took down everything I have up here, and I gotta take this stuff down too. Lit is gonna come, and they're going to put huge light up letters here that say Uno, because my daughter's turning 1, and we're having like a fiesta party because I'm Mexican and I wanted to celebrate her Hispanic heritage. And they're gonna bring balloons, and I think they're gonna kind of like do like a balloon garland right here. So I gotta kind of pick everything up, but I'll show you. I got it clean, guys. It's still, it's a horrible mess. I'm gonna take this down because today I also have to set up here the whole fiesta background and be super cute. Look at this, all ready for Easter. So I think I'm gonna do that here. Like, I got a bunch of stuff. Like, look at this. So look at this for the party. Like, look at this little llama. Isn't that the cutest? Look at these. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it. Amazon. I'll link these below. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest. I just love it. It's so darling. So I got 2 kits here. Let me just show you because I'm just so excited. Look at this from The Stylish Detail. She's an Instagram account. It's where I found her. And she has this shop. Oh, she's the sweetest. Oh my gosh. She has the cutest stuff. Look at this. Look at this. So freaking cute. A little Fiesta banner. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at this. This garland, this background, this one here. So this little thing is gonna go on that high chair. So when she sits eating her cake, it's just like hanging there. Oh, so extra, so extra. And then this is the huge one that I am going to drape where that clock is. So, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, look at these colors. I'm so excited, you guys. I'll link her Instagram below. I love sharing like my favorite shops and stuff like that with you guys. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. What do you say we put this baby up? And then I just got a piñata. I think it came today. Look at that. I'm going to have all these little pelones inside the piñata. I'm going to do little gift bags with like little straws. Look at these little straws. I have like little party, what are they called? Party props. These little party favors. Let me show you these. Okay, so these are party favors I'm going to put inside the party favor bag. But look at, there's little clips, like hair clips, like little llama hair clips. Little bracelets. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys. You should totally do this party for one of your little girls. Look at, they even have blue ones. Look at, they have rings. Oh, so freaking cute. Look at that. Look at this little llama. Oh, this is the freaking cutest. So affordable. It even comes with little like bags, but I wanted to be extra. And I love these little bags. And here's the llama piñata that we got. Isn't that the cutest with her little eyelashes? Came from Amazon. This little baby's like the perfect size for little tiny kids. So I didn't have a chance to tell you my full thoughts about the foundation the other night, but I did video how the foundation looked at the very end of the night, a very close-up so you guys could see how it ended up looking after like 12 hours. Revlon Color Stay, this is amazing. You guys, this is so lightweight and it just is so thin and it just gives you so much coverage and lasts so long. I am so freaking impressed with this baby. I'm definitely gonna go back and get my actual shade. I'm surprised that 220 Natural Beige doesn't fit me. it's too light. So their color range is definitely a little funky, so keep that in mind. I'll put down below the one that I'm going to try next if you're curious. But other than that, I love it. And this is the reason I think this is so amazing. This is like the perfect travel foundation. It gives you lots of coverage. It looks good on your dry skin. It's very light. So it's kind of like, and it's very thin formula, so it's very versatile. If you're going to the beach, you can just pour a little bit of this into your moisturizer or your sunscreen. If you are going to the beach, but then at night you're going to go out to dinner, you can have like a full coverage, beautiful look. It's in a perfect traveling bottle. This is just so versatile, and I love it. I think this is a really good drugstore foundation. I'm not gonna lie, the Revlon Color Stay line doesn't really appeal to me. I never really liked it. I felt like it was lacking a little bit. It was more on like the drying side, more catered towards oily girls, oily gals. So, but this foundation is really, really good. I am super impressed with it, you guys. I would definitely check it out. I'd give this one probably like a 9.5, 10 out of 10. 9.5 because the color is deceiving. It's natural beige, 220 natural beige, and it's not. Like I'm a natural beige gal, and this is too light for me. So yeah, that's the only part. The shade range, the way to label things is a little bit tricky. But besides that, I really like it. I think it is a 12-hour wear foundation. I think that it did fade gracefully. It did look good. It did withstand the mask pretty well. And I liked it. I think it's great. I didn't notice it giving me a flashback, but let me just put up the picture to show you so you can decide for yourself. But it is a really good foundation. I was super impressed with this one. So I hope you've been enjoying Foundation Week so far. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and come back for tomorrow's video so you can go see the birthday party. You got to see a little bit of me getting it all ready, but if you want to see the birthday party festivities, make sure you come back for tomorrow's video. I love you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.